Good morning, everyone. My name is Krima Sharma. Today's my topic of presentation is from inorganic chemistry, which is qualitative analysis of inorganic compounds. So, qualitative analysis of inorganic compound involves salt analysis. In this, we have a most common reaction, that is, when HCl is reacted with NaOH, it will give a salt, that is NaCl, and also gives water. So the salt formed here is a questionnaire is in your mind that what is a salt. So salt is a compound formed by complete or partial replacement of ionizable hydrogen atom of an acid by a metallic ion. So what is salt? Salt is that when ionizable hydrogen is replaced from an acid by a metallic ion, either by complete or partial replacement, then the formation of salt takes place. Now, in the same reaction, we got that salt from in which the NaCl is given by the base, so it is known as basic radical, and the Cl chloride ion is given by an acid, so it is an acid radical. In this video, we will only discuss about what are basic radicals and their reagent, and they will precipitate out as how. So, what are basic radicals? Basic radicals have been classified into groups. Each group radical have a particular reagent. These are the reagents for the basic radicals, and they will precipitate as chloride, hydroxide, sulfide, and carbonates. So for this, first of all, we have given an unknown salt and we have to identify its radical. So for this, we will take a test tube and prepare a solution of that salt. The original solution of salt is prepared either by adding cold water or hot water or dilute HCl. So when this original solution is prepared, then we will add a reagent to it. Then the precipitation formation start taking place. So now we have groups for this that are group 7 are in this. Group 0 involves the radical NH4 positive whose reagent is NaOH, and it will precipitate out as NH3 gas. And the first group is containing radical Pb2 positive whose reagent is dilute HCl, and it will precipitate out as chloride. The second group is containing Pb2 positive or Cu2 positive ion whose reagent is HCl in H2S, which will precipitate out as sulfide. The third group contains Fe3 positive and Al3 positive ions whose reagent are NH4Cl and NH4OH, which will precipitate out as hydroxide. The fourth group is containing radicals nickel, zinc, cobalt, manganese, whose reagent are NH4OH in H2S, which will precipitate out as sulfide. The fifth group contains Ca2 positive ion, Ba2 positive ion, Sr2 positive ion. Its reagent are NH4 whole twice CO3 in NH4Cl, which will precipitate out as carbonate. The sixth group contains Mg2 positive radical, and its reagent are disodium hydrogen phosphate. It will precipitate out as ammonium phosphate. So now a question arises in your mind that what is a precipitate and what is precipitation. So precipitation is a process in which the soluble substance is converted into an insoluble substance with the help of reagent known as precipitating reagent. So when the precipitating reagent is added to the solution, its concentration decreases. So this is precipitation, and how precipitation takes place. Precipitation takes place when the ionic product exceeds the solubility